Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve into Apple, providing you with a comprehensive analysis. We initially released a report on our website on Thursday, February 1, 2024, and now we're here to offer you an even more detailed assessment. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 1, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a potential buy candidate with a score of 1.62. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently following a horizontal trend, indicating that it is moving within a relatively stable range. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential 1.95% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could see a return between -0.530% and 9.19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 21.44% change expected over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 14.6% and 31.73%. In terms of price, it could reach anywhere between $214.14 and $246.15 after a year. Our latest update for Apple brings exciting news. Apple stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate after Thursday's trading session. On the last trading day, Thursday, February 1, 2024, the Apple stock price increased by 1.33%, going from $184.40 to $186.86. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.7%, reaching a low of $183.82 and a high of $186.95. It's important to note that the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -0.94% over this period. Additionally, the trading volume dropped by -2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 53 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.84 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume despite higher prices can indicate a potential change in the upcoming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $199.62, while the lowest price recorded was $143.90. Currently, the price is 6.39%, or $12.76, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 18.14%, or $41.40, below the all-time high, which was reached on August 30, 2018, with a price of $228.26. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, February 1, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned an overweight grade to Apple with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded AAPL's grade to buy and performed a upgrade action. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Apple a negative grade with a upgrade action. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned a neutral grade to Apple with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating. They also rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock is currently showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relation between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In terms of corrections, there will be some resistance from the price levels at $190.30 and $190.45. If the stock breaks above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Tuesday, January 23, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 4.26% decrease in stock value so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. However, there have also been some positive signals issued, which may have an influence on the short-term development of the stock. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could potentially be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicates a sell signal 8 days ago. The Bollinger indicator generated a buy signal 19 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about Apple's support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Apple has found support from accumulated volume at $185.64. This means that there is a strong likelihood of a buying opportunity when the support level is being tested. In other words, we can expect the stock to react positively and move upwards when it reaches this support level. It's important to note that Apple is a stock that is usually traded at a good volume. This means that there is a lot of activity and interest in the stock, which can be a positive sign for investors. Additionally, the stock experiences minor daily changes, indicating that the risk associated with it is considered to be low. Looking at the recent performance of the stock, we can see that it moved $3.13, 1.7%, between its highest and lowest points in the last day. This shows that there is some volatility in the stock, but it is within a reasonable range. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.67%, which is also relatively low. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Apple, it's important to understand some fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio falls within a normal range. This is often seen in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are $2.08. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $188.63. If you're not yet invested in the stock, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering entering a position. However, for those who already own Apple shares, this level could be a valuable point to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple faces a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $185.64. If this support level holds, it can serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Analysts from multiple sources have given Apple a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Kondo Christ sold 5,513 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated as negative with a ratio of -21.155. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased a total of 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is $178.32, which represents a decrease of 4.57%. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in reduced risk for investors. It's worth noting that a sell signal was generated from a pivot top 7 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? While there are negative signals and indicators affecting its short-term development, we believe that the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity. Over a period of 3 months, we anticipate that the price will increase. Therefore, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy recommendation. Based on the volatility and movements observed in the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 2nd, we expect Apple stock to open with a decrease of 98 cents and begin trading at $185.88. Before we begin, it's important to acknowledge the risks involved in trading. Investing in securities carries a high risk of financial loss. Therefore, we strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your input, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.